Greetings to you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Francis. I would like to take you today through making a table of content. It is important to make it such that you are able to easily access the page that you need to read your document from. So, to perform this task, you just need to come to the headings and sub-heading. That is the only thing that you need to know. Then you bring now your cursors onto them, your cursor to them. So under this we have the project alpha document. So under this project alpha document, we will bring our cursor here. So this become our first heading. So we'll come here, put it as our first heading. Oh, we move to the next step. Bring our cursor here, then become the 1 point, become our second that is a subheading. Then we bring our cursor on the system overview, which is 2.0. It's also the second one. Then we come to 2.1. The architecture, this becomes our third one. We continue to scroll down, coming to the installation guide. So this is our second one. Then we come to let's come to number 4, which is the user guide. Is heading number 2. Let's scroll down to 4.1. So 4.1, getting started, is heading 3. We come to dashboard, the dashboard overview, which is also 3. We come to management 4.1, it's 3. Then we continue to move. There is advanced future 5.0. This is heading 2. Then automation tool 5.1, that is a 3. Then we come to 5.2, custom reporting, which is a 3. Then continue to scroll down. There is integrated API, which is 3. Then we come to security 6.1, heading 2. Then we come to authentication 6.1, that is heading 3. We continue to scroll down. Then we come to after authentication we have authorization. So on authorization, this is heading 3. Then we come to data encryption. So data encryption is our heading 3. Then you can scroll back. So after moving back, you need a blank page. So you have to insert a blank page. So you just bring your cursor here, then you double click. So after double clicking, you go to your reference. After the reference, there is a provision here on the left above for table of content. So it will show you how it will be here. Then you just tap it. So once you are done with it, it will show you here. So this one you can come and highlight. Then when you have highlighted it, you can centralize it to your table of content. So this becomes a simple way of making a table of content. So you can now clearly see that your table of content is here showing you the page where all your things So thank you so much for being part of this.